This is literally how I lost my finger. I was cleaning the fish. And it got me.
Get lost, you ain't made of fist. Ain't no stopping, pray your wish. No lights to keep the devil in. And no more talking, we're facing him. Ooh, I was made for this.
Got the line right here at the vertebrae. Okay. On both sides. Boom. Usually, what I do is I literally just do a cut.
Come in on.
Here.
Okay.
Just below where that bladder is. See it right there? Like intestines and all that piece of good stuff is you don't want to cut up. I just go right behind there. Kind of close to the head, you know? Mm-hmm. Like that. Find my line.
Now I've never cleaned one of these. I asked Corey, and he said there's a little trick to it. So.
Yeah, this is the best way right here. He's dead on how to do this. What's coming up here? You're the master, bro. We're doing the same thing. Good job, bro.
Coming down
He'll just peel this off there. It'd be beautiful.
Okay, just coming down the bloodline.
You don't have
Short
to do
strike in
this.
the tail.
You want a rag under him, Corey, so he can slide?
Too nice.
These fish are super slippery.
What's up?
Okay, so he's
This is my wife's
almost
towel.
like any fish. After you put him in a cooler, they have that slime coat on the next day.
Ah, he bit me.
And he just bit him.
Okay, go ahead. And we'll keep working. That's good, man.
Thank you, dude. Thank you.
You were attacked by a flounder.
I was, dude. You got me, bud. All right, so now just literally scraping it off the bone, you know? Once you get it up.
Okay. So they've got really big ribs going all the way through. I never knew that.
Bam.
So there's your fillet, and basically you're butterflying it. Then you do this side, and then repeat it on the other side. Same concept.
Yep. The other side's just
This fish is
chunkier,
completely symmetrical to doing the same thing, nice and smooth like that. And that's another reason right there that
bam.
They wanted to shoot him in the head so you didn't get that bloodline out.
Yep. I'm gonna skin it and then we'll do it. I'm gonna just do. I'll finish him
Well,
up.
you only have to do it
and then I'll
30
do
more
the,
times.
Yeah, thanks. Y'all can all jump in and do this whenever you
some
want.
more knives?
Yeah, I do. I brought another.
All right, so you get the basic idea how to do that, how to split them down the middle. We're gonna go ahead and everybody's gonna chip in and we're gonna knock these things out and we'll see in a minute. We're gonna cook them up. Right? You're supposed to be able to see through them. Some people make, you know, lampshades out of them.
What are you checking?
Bring your temp up. Gotta bring it to 350. Get to 350, let it stabilize. Drop your flounder in there. Keep checking your temp. Temperature is the most important thing when you're frying anything. Don't burn the oil. That's it. Let the fish fry, it'll start floating. Once it starts floating, it's done. Don't overcook it.
What kind of batter are you putting on those fish?
A mixture of pancake batter and flour to my own discretion of mixture ratio.
What?
That's right, that's what I said.
That sounds like really...
I know what I'm doing here. That's it. Once it starts floating, it's good. Eat it.
Hey,
Yum.
you haven't proved this wrong yet. Everything you said is gonna happen has happened.
Hey,
So
stick with me, bud. We're going places.
I don't know about you guys, but I'm getting hungry. So let's heat this bad boy up. And are you guys hungry? Starving.
Yeah.
Do it.
Yeah.
You can do it. Put some grease into it. What are you doing there? Are you counting the bubbles?
No, I'm trying to read the man's temperature.
I can't see you right now.
I'll tell you what, I know a quick way to test it. I'm gonna go back old school here.
Need some water.
Go ahead, bud.
The way to it now is putting out a fire.
Look, when the water, when you do that and the water sizzles, you're about there. That's kind of old school.
What you doing? Making a paste?
Yep, making a paste.
Lauren, you know how to do this?
Spread them up good, shake off all the excess. When you drop them in the oil, break the oil first and then let it go so it doesn't splash all over you. And then you end up burned. It's gonna make your tongue slap the side of your face.
Get it. What'd you say the texture is like? Compared to leather.
Compared to leather? Sheephead-esque.
You can give me a spoon?
Sheephead.
Yeah.
Yep.
Thin sheephead, white, light.
Nice.
Yeah, try it, dude. Tell me it's done. I don't even know if it's done.
All right, here goes a big taste test.
No salt and pepper?
No, you ain't gonna need
Don't need it. It's falling apart.
Look at that.
Should be perfect, dude.
That's the same way the flounder eats.
Is it good? Is it alright?
Wow.
Yeah? Good?
Wow.
Is that good?
Pull them, they're dumb.
They're done?
Pull them, way dumb.
Okay.
We'll make them wet.
I mean,
Yeah, pull them.
oh man, that's probably one of the best fish I've ever tasted.
The next batch.
Hurry up and cook them all. I need them.
The next batch is second early.
That's really that good. This is how they eat in the low country. They just tip it in a bowl and they just all start sucking out of it.
You see how light it is? Every time.
It's all about having fun. We're out here having fun. We've been fishing for 2 days straight and we're having a blast. And we're all starving. And this is just what it's all about right here. It's having a good time with your buddies.
Summer flounders.
Obviously, the food is awesome. Everybody's happy. We're having a good time. We're going to end it right here. It's raining, and everybody's stuffing their face, so we can't get them to concentrate. We'll see you on the next adventure.
I put my finger up next to it. That's what happens. Flounder, get you. Flounder got my finger.
The redfish, we could have stopped on that bank and do a redfish after we wanted to.
Leave me something. Leave my numb. Don't take my numb.
I'm gonna fill this up.
It's starting to rain. We're starving. We're not giving up. We're going to eat this eventually. What do you think?
South Carolina saying thanks for coming.
Hey, I'll tell you what, I'm glad we